guys, Vern, Jack of all trades, master of none. I'm going to show you how to get into your Roku remote control. This one does not have any screws. I'm going to show you how to open it up to do some maintenance. One of the buttons are sticking. We're going to go ahead inside the unit and clean it, but you need to get in it. Before we go any further, do me a favor, guys, go ahead and subscribe and click that like button. Okay guys, first things first is to take off the battery cover. So you can see there's an arrow back here, shows you which direction to push this cover. Just go ahead and squeeze down on it and push it, and it opens up, right? You don't need any tools for that. Push it and let it come out. Now for the batteries, you can just slip your fingernail. If you want to use tools, you can go ahead and use tools, but you don't need to. See, I can slip my nail in there. Whoops, and pull the battery out. All right, we'll get that. We'll get that battery back. Same thing here. Slip my fingernail in there. Pull that battery out. For the next step, this is where it gets a little crazy. There's no screws here. Some of them they have screws right back here. This one doesn't have any screws. So how am I going to get in here? Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to kind of grab it. Just grab it as a whole. Yeah, this is the top part backwards. And I'm just going to kind of push down on it in order to see if I can get the back part to pop out. So I'm kind of doing a braking motion, but you're not braking your unit. I'm just squeezing, pushing out. You see the top coming out up here? Just to reveal some sort of a corner that you can access. You see this corner? And then I'm going to stick a screwdriver or something in there. Here you go, I'm going to stick a screwdriver in there, and I'm going to open it further. Okay. Okay, so I just pry it, keep prying it open, working my way down, trying to be gentle as I go, little by little. Okay, keep working your way down and around. Okay, I'll come up on the other side. So I'm coming up on the back side, working my way around. Take your time, nothing's getting away from you. Just working my way around, nice and easy. Here I am, I'm on the other side, working my way around, taking my time. Can you see? I'm on the other side over here. Just keep working your way around, and there you go. Now you got everything off, right? Now that we got everything off and we're looking at the electronic piece, okay, I don't think you need to take it out. So I'm not going to take it out. I'm just going to hold it here. I'm going to take out the rubber pieces because I think that's where the problem is. I think maybe there's something or some kind of liquid or something that's stuck in there. We're just going to clean all that out. I don't think you need to pull this out. But if you do, if you see, all of this stuff just comes right off, and then you can lift it off if you need to. All right. So I don't know if you need to go that far, but all this stuff just snaps together. All right, so that's it. And then to put it back, you just do the reverse. Okay, guys? Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button and share the video, right? And if you have any suggestions on any videos, get them in, and I'll see if I can get that video up and on the internet for you. All right? All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.